I am happy to share that we have with us Mr. Rahul Sir, HR Head, Patanjali Foods. Sir, I, Shikha Mishra, on the behalf of ITS School of Management, welcomes you to the HR Conclave 2024.
Thanks for having me here.
Great, sir. Before beginning the session, I would like to know from you that how was your experience today with the students and the budding managers?
I think it was really great the way that I was welcomed in the campus and I met up with the panel members and the directors here at the university. That was really pleasurable. Thanks for the opportunity. And yes, also the topic was engaging. I mean, I had great panel with Sumerji and Rahul along with Preeta ma'am for sure. So good conversations, good questions, good insights into what is the opportunity, what is the challenge, and what ideally should be the way forward in order to ensure that we create an environment, a society, or an organization which is more diverse, which is great, but also inclusive in order to ensure that everybody participates well and drive home the objective and achieves the objective of the organization as well.
Beautifully explained, sir. We also know that you talked about that Patanjali hires management trainees and annual management students. So we are talking a lot about diversity and gender equality. So I would, as far I know, Patanjali is now a flag bearer of diversity as well. So how is this a question to ask even if, how are female employees feeling in Patanjali, and are they opening for domains like sales and field sales? Something you would like to say for that?
It's not about any specific domain that we would want to hire a woman for. So she is now at that level to decide what domain or what kind of a career they would want to explore. Our important aspect from an HR perspective is the functional fitment in terms of what exactly is the requirement on paper and what exactly is what I'm getting in terms of a talent. So in terms of any kind of the choice that there is, that okay, I would prefer that preference has gone out of the window. That's one. Number two is in terms of women which are there within the organization, they are empowered. They are excelling in what they do. They have a voice. Recently, we had our R&R function, and there were women who, because I was anchoring that, right? So I was asking people to come along, sing a song, do a skit, do something else, and I could see women too coming over there and voicing their opinion. So they were comfortable in that environment, and because we, as an organization, Patanjali stands for Indianism. We had a legacy in our country of diversity from the very beginning. Of course. And I think we are the flag bearers of that particular culture and hence are more accepting and inclusive in terms of empowering the women within the industry and the organization as well.
That was really beautiful to know that how Patanjali is working over diversity and especially the gender inclusion as well. So we can say that it is not too far when women will take the lead completely or more than what we are doing today.
Yes, I mean, it's the glass ceiling that we always talk about. Yes, and there are instances, not even in India, but outside as well, that you would see that women are now getting close or there at that level, which is the deciding level for any organization. It is taking a bit of time because of other priorities as well, being in India, that actually kick in, and hence they have to choose between that. But yes, it's not a long shot that we would see women not, I mean, be there with men in terms of competing and ensuring that whenever there's an open opportunity, they grab it with both the hands and then grow with the organization. And that is what HR, the custodian of the policies, processes, and culture, it is our responsibility as well to ensure that we provide that platform equally. That's the equality that we talk about, to all the people who are eligible for them to apply, present themselves, do their best, and then get the desired profile that they're looking for within the organization.
Definitely, sir. And to my understanding, we actually need more people like you. Thank you so much for your gracious presence at ITS, and see you again soon in the camp.
Absolutely. Look forward.